Builder.
Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Johnny Blaze here, and today we're working on a Silverado. What we're going to be doing is changing out a few parts for the customer, and then we'll be plastic dipping it after that. Obviously, you can see here that the truck was in a little fender bender, so we've got a new hood, grill, bumper, fender. I'm not sure if we have a fender for that side over there, but basically all the red pieces will just be switched out. We're not going to go ahead and fix any of these pieces. We're just going to go ahead and switch them out. And as far as the rest of the truck, before this accident happened, it belongs to my neighbor over here, and I think it belongs to like his relatives. So whenever they come over to visit the neighbor, we've always seen this truck come over, and it's been a clean truck, and so we hope to get it back to a clean looking truck again for him. I mean, it was this blue color. Obviously it needed some work before the accident, but adding a little bit of Plasti dip, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of like blue pigment into the black Plasti dip, so it'll give it like a dark blue color. And basically what we've got is in the back bed over here, we've got basically, like I said, we've got all the pieces ready to go. They're all in the bed, and I guess we'll go ahead and put you on some time lapse so that we can go ahead and let you take a look at what we got going on.
What's up, guys? So today we'll be unboxing all the parts that we have for this OBS build. Yeah, nothing too exciting here, just a stock bumper. OEM fender for the driver's side. And right here we have the right here is a full core support. Basically the metal front of the truck. Some other front end parts right here. Plastics, bumper brackets. Some more bumper brackets inside there. And then right here we have brand new headlights. So these are the bottoms, corners, and then top part of the headlight. All brand new. Yeah, so with all these parts right here, this truck is definitely going to get a transformation, no doubt, especially with the new coat of Plasti dip on it. It'll look much better. What's up, guys? So basically we ran into a little problem here getting the bumper to come off. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but it's actually pinched on itself, and I can't get my impact gun or a wrench or anything back there to take the bolt off. So basically we're just going to cut a little notch in the bumper, and then that should allow us to get a socket in there. What's up, guys? Jacob back here with Noise Boys Garage, and today we have the OBS we were working on. We were able to do a lot of it off camera since it's, it's just body work. That's very boring. But we basically got the truck as straight as possible. all around. And right now we're gonna wash it off, wax and grease remove it, and start taping it off and getting it ready for the Plasti dip. What's up, guys? So we were able to finish all the body work, but right now we're just gonna go ahead and spray the whole bed on both sides, and then tomorrow morning we'll come out here and spray the cab, roof, hood, fenders, the rest of the truck. So let's get started. What's up, guys? So we're back again. It's the next morning and we got the whole bed basically laid with base coat. We got to go back through and reshoot the bed again with some more base coat, but right now we're focusing on the cab of the truck, roof, the whole front end, to get it all one color and get it basically ready to shoot the top coat, which has the blue and the black metallics.